For Convert number 4 of the effective presentation workshop, we have to present a topic in several ways. First, in a shy way, having a little of knowledge about the topic, then in a confident way, having appropriate communication, and finally, one overly confident, which is energetic and very fast talking. The topic we select is the global warming, and we start now.
The global warming is the effect caused by made man, where the temperature of the earth increases. For example, the smoke produced by the industry, cars, natural fires in the woods, etc. If it is not correct, also in other generations, lives can be in danger cause of natural disasters produced by this thing.
Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere. These absorb sunlight and solar radiations that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation will escape into space, but these pollutants, which can last for years or centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. That's what's known as the greenhouse effect, being important for us to take action and correct and diminish these pollutants to protect sustainability for the future generations.
Global warming is the effect caused by man where the temperature of the air increases. It occurs when air pollutions and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere, and these pollutions, which can last for years to centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. That's what we know as greenhouse effect, being very important for us to take action to stop polluting the world.